Assalamu alaikum. My name is Buthaina, Qatari. I love gardening for a long time and I grow in my home garden different kinds of plants. I am a member of Garsa. We are a volunteer group of women working to spread a culture of urban farming and gardening in the community. These flowers, vegetables, and herbs. I have some fruit trees: date palm, papaya, lemon, fig, pomegranate, banana, and coconut. People may think that Qatar is too hot and that we cannot grow anything. This is completely wrong. At this time of the year, I'm growing crops that love the heat. We just need to know what we can plant and when is the right time to plant it. I do organic gardening. I do not use the pesticide or chemical fertilizer. I make my own compost. I collect dry leaves, vegetables from the kitchen and mix them in this canvas container. I have a page on Instagram where I post the information, and I also run workshops to teach beginners gardening. We love Qatar and we seek to make Qatar green.